Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we dive into the digital world and bring you tips, tricks, and insights to navigate the ever evolving landscape of social media. Today, we're talking about creating a Facebook account responsibly and the importance of adhering to Facebook's guidelines. Now, you might be wondering if it's possible to create a Facebook account without an email or phone number. It's important to start by saying that Facebook requires each user to verify their identity through unique contact information. This is a part of the effort to ensure the safety and security of the platform. But don't worry if you're concerned about privacy or simply exploring how to join Facebook, we've got you covered with some tips on how to sign up while respecting Facebook's terms. Tip 1. Use an email service. There are several email providers out there that offer free email services. You can create a new email address specifically for your Facebook account. Providers like Gmail, Outlook, or Yahoo are great options. Tip 2. Use a temporary phone number. If you're not comfortable using your personal phone number, consider using a temporary or virtual phone number service. However, remember this method should comply with Facebook's policies and you should use it responsibly. Tip 3. Understand the rules. It's crucial to know that creating multiple personal accounts is against Facebook's terms. If you need another account for your business or a specific project, Facebook allows you to create pages or advertising accounts linked to your personal profile. And there you have it, folks. While it might seem like a shortcut to create accounts without an email or phone number, or to create unlimited accounts, it's important to remember the value of integrity and respect for the platforms we use. Following the rules ensures a safer, more enjoyable experience for everyone. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.